Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Tata Capital personal loan. First, let's understand the eligibility. You need to be between 21 and 58 years old. Your net monthly income should be at least 15,000 rupees, and you must have a minimum of 1 year of work experience. Meeting these initial requirements is crucial for a smooth application process, ensuring you are well prepared to proceed with your loan request. Next, let's talk about the essential documents you will need. Make sure you have your identity proof ready, like an Aadhaar card or passport. You will also need address proof, such as a recent utility bill or your driving license. Don't forget to include your bank statements for the past 6 months and your latest salary slips or other income proof. Having these prepared will significantly speed up your application. Now for the application process itself. You can easily start by visiting the Tata Capital website or by going to one of their branches. Carefully fill out the online application form, ensuring all your details are accurate. After that, you will upload or submit all the necessary documents for verification. Once everything is submitted, you simply await approval and the quick disbursement of your personal loan directly into your account. Finally, let's look at the fantastic features and advantages of a Tata Capital personal loan. You can enjoy flexible repayment tenures, extending up to 72 months. Loan amounts are quite broad, ranging from 75,000 rupees up to 25 lakh rupees. You will also benefit from competitive interest rates and a very quick processing time, allowing you to use the funds for various personal needs without any restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.